e bwo kocha ma Kojolo Francis Kimanzi. Jotugo mag Harambee Stars otimo ikruok e paw tuke ma M-Pesa Foundation Academy ne ikruok ne tukego ma idhi bagi chakre tarik 3 nyaka tarik 13 dwe mar achiel higa manyien e piny mar Zanzibar. Kocha Kimanzi kod jotugo nyiso geno margi mar timo maber e tukego.
Some moments to get some tests done, and also we had some introduction of some tactics on the pitch as we do our selection, to give everyone an opportunity at least, because we have a bigger number of players in the camp, for the reason of looking ahead of what is expecting us as a country and as a team, that we have to build a team. And so we have started building a team, with a bigger number of players being invited. Focus is the Mapinduzi Cup now, but the bigger group is also a group to start checking out who is supposed to be monitored and prepared well before we start preparing the team for the CHAN.
Tumetrain vizuri, pia wachezaji wako motivated sana. Tuko wengi lakini tumesukumana hapo ndani. So kwa hii Mapinduzi Cup inakuja, hii na tu prepare tu vizuri, ni kama tu ni warm up tu kwa hiyo CHAN yenye inakuja.
Erokamano nyako Ramogi kuom kete. Ramogi TV no kaji neno Ramogi TV kendo gimora ahinya kaka mama Kalsina Amolo Tieno entiere gwenge mag Ugenya mora ahinya gi weche manyien kendo